In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix stick drift on a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, whether you're using a Nintendo Switch, a Nintendo Switch 2, or OLED. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by grabbing the joystick that's causing the issue. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is grab that joystick, and let's just say it is my left joystick right here, and as you can see, I'm moving it around. What you're going to want to do is gently push the analog stick down and look around the base itself. You'll hear a little click when you have it pushed down all the way. Sometimes dust, debris, and small little particles can get trapped underneath and cause drifting. If you see anything inside, blow around the base of the stick itself or use compressed air, since it does work the best. You can also carefully blow into the gap though to clear it, and essentially just make sure the area is fully cleared. From here, what you're going to want to do is press that analog stick down and rotate it in a full circle. This is going to be clockwise, and you're going to want to do this 3 or 4 times kind of slowly. And then do the opposite, rotate it counterclockwise 3 or 4 times. This will help loosen debris and reset the internal movement. As soon as you do this, test the controller and see if it's stopped. If it hasn't, go down to system settings on your Switch itself and open that up. And you're going to want to go to the controllers and accessories settings. Open that up, scroll down a little bit. You're going to see an update controller option. Go ahead and do that. See if there's any updates. If not, scroll down a little bit more and then go to calibrate control sticks, just like so. You're going to want to do this, but only recalibrate if something is clearly off, and follow the steps carefully on the screen to complete the process. If none of these methods did fix the issue, your controller may need professional repair, but that is it. One of these guys should help you fix stick drift on a Pro controller. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.